I'm Chinnu, and this is Ted. He's my buddy. Today we're off on a house-wide ride to find tasty snacks that hide inside. Let's start our journey.
First stop, the kitchen. What a place, smells so good. I pedal with pace, a cheesy pizza, a burger so big. I do a little happy wiggle wig. Next we freeze, the freezer's cool. I peek inside, oh what a jewel. Ice cream scoops and lollipops sweet. This chili stop can't be beat. We roll to the dining room with care. What yummy treasures will be there? A chocolate cake with sprinkles high, and choco bars stacked to the sky. To the fridge we race, don't be late. Fruits and veggies looking great. Juice in boxes, eggs so round. Healthy things that we just found. Living room's cozy, and guess what's near? A fruit basket full of snacks so dear. Bananas, apples, berries too. Colorful, juicy, fresh and new. Now we ride to my own room, where cupcakes shine and donuts bloom. Frosted fun and sprinkles fly. A sweet surprise, oh my, oh my. Snack tour's done, what a day. Ted and I had fun, hooray. Biking through each tasty space, with a smile on my snacky face. Ride, ride, room to room, looking for snacks that make us zoom. Teddy and I, a hungry pair, finding food everywhere.
My snack tour is done with joy. Now it's time to signing off. Bye, friends. Will you meet again in another tour?